let me see if I can do this quickly. That's also a new function. Since I have done this, but I forgot to add a modifier on this, let's say. So I'm going to make a new line which has thickness, okay, and then I'll try to replace this item with this item. So I'm just click on the line, the object, and then I pick this one. And then it says that you want to replace. I would say yes. This question is asking if I want to keep the old array. I don't want. I just want to replace, right? So I don't need a copy of the old one. So now you have all the items. It replaced with the new one. So everything works now. Even if you go to your setting, everything works. You just change the object inside the array with a single single step, one step with a single comment. I think this is a good thing. That if you had a mistake in the first in your design of your element, you can later on just change it. That's all. It tries to find those properties from the old one in new one. If you, for example, if you change a box to a sphere, it might or opposite way. If you change the sphere to box, obviously cannot find radius inside the box, right? So if any controller on radius, you will not get it on the box. But if it has the same sub-object, same everything, just new modifiers, stuff like that, then your controller will move to the new object. So here, if I think you can now, you should be able to see what I did. I'm going to just choose the relative. So that's a relative mode, and I can move these things. This option, as you can see, I use -9, for example. Since this option is enabled, which is the wrap around the bounds are enabled, if it cannot find a specific index number, and this option is enabled, it tries to go back from the end of the array. So that's why when I says -9, we don't have index 0, so it goes to the last one, which is the 20, and then it comes back from there. Or also, if you do it like that, let's make it 0, and then you can see when I add it like this, it goes to 1, and then now it's in the last item. Okay, there is no more line on this target array. So because of this option is enabled, it will jump. The last one jumps to the first item, and so on. But if you don't choose this option, all of them will stay at the end, so they don't warp around the bounds, basically. Is that clear? Okay.